Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you about my favorite seltzer of choice. It is Canada Dry Original Sparkling Seltzer Water. This is definitely like my go-to when I have to get seltzer. I also do liquor demos in liquor stores, so I'll always get Canada Dry Original Sparkling Seltzer with any kind of vodka that I'm doing. It always complements it really nicely. Just on my own, if I usually try to drink water or seltzer because of course they're like low calories and super hydrating, and it's nice to have seltzer once in a while, to have something with bubbles, because I really don't drink regular Coca-Cola unless it's like once in a blue moon with a slice of really good pizza or something like that. So Canada Dry ginger ale has always been my favorite ginger ale. When I was a little girl, I used to get it when I was sick. It was what my mom always purchased, and it was definitely my go-to choice. So right now I'm just in the car and I'm thirsty, so of course I always bring a drink with me, so I chose seltzer today. What I like about Canada Dry is that it's just very smooth, easy drinking, and you go through it really quick, of course. So I always usually I buy a pack, like I bought a pack of, had 12 1-liter bottles, so that was good too, to just have in the house. And that's really what my family drinks. So whenever they come over, I'll just have water, wine, and of course seltzer for them to choose from. So of course it's unsweetened, has 0 calories and 0 sodium. Canada Dry has been around since 1904. It's all natural. I'm sure most people have tried this seltzer. If not, they probably tried some kind of Canada Dry product at one point or another. Most likely the ginger ale, because that's very popular. Just the original sparkling seltzer water. This is a 12-ounce bottle, 1.25 pint, 591 milliliter bottle. It is caffeine free, no sodium. Nutrition facts: serving size is 8 ounces, servings 2.5, 0 calories. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. It's carbonated water, bottled under the authority of Dr. Pepper 7-Up Incorporated, 5301 Legacy Drive, Plano, Texas. Copyright 2014, Dr. Pepper 7-Up Incorporated. So definitely a product that's been around a really long time, and has a following and is a well-established brand. Then have the barcode here. Get 5 cents deposit if you live in one of these states, which I do, but I mean, I really never go for the deposit because I'm lazy half the time when I go grocery shopping, but I always do make sure that I recycle. The website is canadadry.com. If you have any consumer comments, there's the phone number. Please recycle. So I like my seltzer. I usually just drink it as is, especially if I'm on the go, like right now. I just have it in my car. But I like this a lot if I'm home with lemonade. I can mix it with like just a drop, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Or I'll do fresh squeeze lime, fresh squeeze lemon, because lemon and water are supposed to be really good for you. So this gives it like a little bit of flavor. But you could also buy, Canada Dry has flavors. I think they have like a berry flavor. I'm sure they have a lemon lime because that's the most popular. So it's nice to have options. So if you don't want to just do a regular seltzer, they do have other flavors, of course. It's really easy to open. Just screw the top off. Manufactured by a bottler under contract with Beverage Distribution Center Incorporated in Pensacola, New Jersey. And then it has an expiration here, I think. Maybe that's not the expiration, maybe that's just the product number or something like that. Is there an expiration date on here anywhere? I don't see one. But I literally just bought it from the store, so it's got to be fine. But yeah. Oh, and another thing is it's really convenient that you can order this online, because if you're getting like the 12-pack of 1-liter bottles, like that can be, or even if you're getting the smaller bottles, I always buy water bottles in like a 24-pack, and sometimes it gets heavy and it's hard to lift and it's hard on your back, and it's nice to just be able to order these online and have them shipped right to your house, and not have to worry about, oh my gosh, how am I going to lug it back from the store to my house. Like I have like steps going up to my house, so sometimes it gets annoying to have to lift something that heavy, especially if it's like an older person or something, you don't want to throw your back out or whatever. So it's very convenient to order online. And like I said before, this goes great with vodka too. So this was Canada Dry Original Sparkling Seltzer Water. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you found the video useful. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, guys.